Alright guys, another special today. We have another project going on that I haven't been really telling you guys about. It's actually right behind me. It's a VW Bus Westfalia. Now before I go into detail about it, I want you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. You know, already know where it's at. It's down below. Just go ahead and click it. Helps out a lot. Thanks. Alright, so as you can see, we're at the body shop. This one's going to actually go by really quick. It should be done in the next 2 months, two and a half months. Of course, we always say that. It get dragged out a little bit longer. But realistically, we already have all the parts for it. Body shop, it should be done with in the body shop in about, I'd say, a month at the very most. As you can see, there's a lot of spare metal in the back. Everything just getting welded in, getting rid of all the rust that's on it right now. It's going to stay this green, which is the original color to the van. Then we have all the new cloth. Gonna go ahead and redo all the wood. So would you call this like a resto mod, Dad? Or just a restoration?
Oh, definitely a mod.
Right, because it's not going to be completely stock.
Especially when we put that Subaru motor in there.
Right. So. Like I said, guys, it's gonna be a cool build, so just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help out a lot.
Trading for some labor when you need some help buffing something.
I'm gonna throw this away. I just wanted to show it.
Yeah.
So go ahead and open up the back. What are you measuring?
8 by 11 to see if I can get that pod in here.
For the speaker, right?
Yeah. Put some nice kickers in there.
Okay guys, so the camera battery died, so I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted to with the bus, but there's a lot of content coming out for it. As you can see in the garage, a bunch of new fabric, a bunch of new interior parts, all going in. This is the passenger seat over there. So with that said, there's going to be a lot more content coming out, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.